So I've seen this old mill sitting here more or less as a yard decoration for probably at least 10 years now. I presume it's an old stationary mill that somebody made portable, because the trailer's pretty stout. See, they had a roof over it at one time, but that's rotten and falling apart. Everything's rusted and coming apart. Oh, he's got him an old crane of some sort back there, or drag line, it looks like. Ooh, it's rusty. Big blade. I'd guess it's got to be 48 inches at least, maybe 50. Well, that's not moving. That's really cool. Oh, it's a frick. How about that? C, I think it says. And then it says 225, no, 1225C. I know somebody will know what that means. And this says 1224C over on this side. And that says 1180C. I guess that was part so you could put it together. And there it says frick again. Well, anyway, anybody needs a project, here it is.